In this video lesson, I will explain to you what is buy in Forex, what means buying in Forex, what is a buy order in Forex and also in, for example, trading stocks or other trading markets. A buying means that you are expecting that the price of a certain symbol or the asset will rise in value in the future. In this case, I have used gold as a symbol on a 1 minute time frame to show you what is buying. If you are a trader or if you are just starting to trade, buying means that the current market price, for example, currently it is 2369, it will rise in the future. That means the market price will go from the current market price, it will go up and up and up. And that means that the price will rise in value, and when you open a buy order, you will make money if the price goes up. Buying also means that the traders are buying this symbol and they are expecting that the price will rise in the future, which means they will make money. If the price goes down, that means on that trade you will lose money because the price is going against you. Buy order is an order that you open inside the trading platform. Inside MT4 or MT 5, you have this button, or you can also click the F9 button. When you click on it, you get a new window where you can open a sell order or a buy order. And you can see in this case we are covering what is buy market order. If you would like to check sell order, you can also check other videos inside the playlist. I have also made an example for this type of order. So in this case we are covering what is a buy order, what means buying. A buying means if I click this button, I am expecting to make money if the price goes up. If the price goes against me, I will lose money. When I click this button, I will open a new order, and you will see it is successfully open with the OK button. You can see this green line that represents this order. And also this row here, below that, you can see the open price was 2370.70. This is the price level right here, which you can see on the green line. In the last column, which is the profit, you can see what is the current profit on this trade. So in this case, when you open a buy order, I am expecting that the price will go up, rise in value and make money for me. If it goes against me, goes down, I will lose money on this trade. In this case, you can see at the moment the price has gone up and the current profit for me is around 0.25 cents. If the price continues to rise even more and more, this means I will also make more money. When I close this order with this X button, or I can also double click on this row, and inside this window I can close this order with this yellow button, I will close this order with the current profit, which is visible here in this last column. I will leave this open just to show you a little bit more details. A buying order can also have a stop loss and a take profit. And stop loss, which means a amount of money that you are expecting to lose on this trade. And that means if you open an order at this current market price and the price goes against you, you will be in loss. So at one price, you would like to get out and reduce the cost, because if the price goes against you more and more and more, this will mean that you will lose even more money. But to stop losing, you can close this order when the market reaches this price level here. So when the price comes to this one here, you can also go here and close the order. If the price goes up and makes a profit for you at one price level, you can also decide to exit from the trade. If that is here at this market price, when the price goes to here, you can also double click on here and close this order with a profit. There is also a possibility to use a stop loss, which is here, and the take profit, so the trading platform will automatically close this trade when the price reaches a certain level. For example, if we put here a take profit to set it to 2371 and stop loss would be 2369, which will be below, we can also make that happen. We can also change this market order if it is necessary. So it is possible to make that modification. To do that, you should, this was the last window. If you would like to do that, you can click this type and click modify order, which will mean that you are currently changing this market order. And let's put stop loss was 2369, the take profit was 2370, if I remember correctly. 2372. We'll put that because the take profit should be above the current market price. Click modify, click OK. Now you can see this is the stop loss. We can see it here. It is a loss that you have set and also a profit that I have set. Inside this row you can see the stop loss and the take profit. So the buy order is something that you are expecting that the price will rise in value, and when it reaches this price level you can close it manually, or you can put take profit level so the trading platform closes this automatically. When to use a buy order? You can use one of the analysis. Some analysis can be using a support and resistance levels, just in case, just like in this example I have put here on the chart. These red lines represents support and resistance lines, and the area around them is the supply and demand zones. This is an area where I'm expecting that the price will bounce back down or move to the up. So in this case, I have not used this strategy because I have opened the buy order just in between this resistance and the support level. If you would like to learn how to put this support and resistance lines and also supply demand zones, I have another video how to draw support and resistance with supply demand zones. You can check that inside the playlist. If you would like to use a support and resistance lines, for example, you could use support level. When the price goes down, reaches this support level, then you can open buy order. Because when the price reaches support level, for example, let's take this example. When the price has gone down, the price reaches this support level. If you open buy order, you're expecting that the price will rise in value. If the price goes against you, you will lose money. But in this case, you can see when the price has reached this support level, the price has gone up and reached this resistance area. So if you have open buy order here, you would make money. And when to exit from the buy trade, this is great an example. When the price comes very close to this area, which is a supply zone, very close to this resistance level, then it is also very good to get out from the trade from the market and use the profit. Why? Because the market could also return all the way back down, go against you and go in loss. So in this case, if you exit from the trade here, you have locked your profits, and if the market goes down, it doesn't matter to you because you are outside of the market. If the price goes up even more, you can also open a second buy order. And this is another example. When the price, for example, from here, you start from here and you wait for the price to go above this resistance level. If the price goes up, you can open buy order here. If you open buy order here, you're expecting that the price will not return below this support, previously was acting as a resistance. You're expecting that the price will continue to rise in value and reach this resistance level. In this case, the price has come very close to this resistance area, but the price returned back down and then returned all the way back up. But you can also put here small take profit, use them and get out of the market, or you can also wait until the price reaches here. If you check in the past how the price has behaved when you can use a buy order, you will see that many times the price goes against you, goes even more down, but also many times the price goes in your favor and goes to the resistance, which is take profit for this buy order. You need to check, make the analysis how many times the price behaves and how the price respects these resistance and support levels, and based on that, on the analysis that you've made, you can also make statistics to see how many times the price respects this support as a support and how many times the price respects this resistance as a resistance. Based on that, you can also make a decision when to open buy order and also when to exit. Will you exit here in between, in the middle, or you will wait until the price reaches this resistance level? So in this case, you can see that the price have problems going even more up. The price has found a resistance, so there is a highly chance that the price will return all the way back down, which will mean that I will be in loss, just like I am in this example. So in this case, I will finish this lesson, so I will close this order. I will double click on it, click close, and when I click close, this order will be closed with a minus 0.32 cents. Click close. And you can see all the levels from the chart has disappeared. Also, this loss has been added here to my account balance. Now you have seen what is buying, what means buying in Forex, and also what means using a buy order on the trading platform, how to make money, and also how it is possible to lose the money, and also how to put take profit levels and stop loss levels, with which strategy you can start using as a beginner or experienced trader. You can also use support and resistance levels. If you have any questions regarding the buy order, feel free to leave a comment below the video, and I will try to answer your questions as soon as possible. See you next time, and happy trading!